The future. It's close. So close we can almost see it. Not yet set, but set in motion. Every day, our world is discovering new ways to move, to work, to communicate, new ways to speed business, ease commerce, and increase safety. This is where we live. In this world, we invent with purpose, with meaning, for all who keep the world moving. Only a short while ago, an autonomous truck was just an idea. A vision of how transportation could be revolutionized for the future. But today, we know that autonomous trucks will become a reality, because we're working to make it a reality.
At Daimler Truck, we believe autonomous trucking is the future, as we see enormous benefits for everyone. It can increase safety even further because systems do not get tired and do not lose attention. It will boost performance of transportation by enabling long-haul trucks to basically run 24/7. It will help society cope with the growing volume of freight, particularly in times of severe driver shortages. And that will enable further economic growth and prosperity. As for business, we see significant market and growth potential for this technology. Autonomous trucking will help us increase our service revenue with less cyclical and more resilient new business models. Though there's a ton of benefits, and for all these reasons, we at Daimler Truck are developing the Level 4 autonomous-ready Freightliner Cascadia, the truck of the future.
It is not a matter of if autonomous trucks will become part of highway traffic, it is a matter of when. For Daimler Truck, the most important part is the how. Our road to autonomous trucks is based on a clear vision and a long-term strategy. We built on years of experience. We were the first to bring Level 2 automated trucks to serious production on a global scale. We were the first to acquire an autonomous startup, Torc Robotics, led as an independent subsidiary to develop and commercialize the virtual driver. We are the first to develop an autonomous-ready truck with redundant systems in the chassis, the foundation of any virtual driver. And we are also the first to establish the dual-track strategy with two strong partners, Torc Robotics and Waymo. Two partners will only accelerate the advent of the technology and provide our customers with the choice as to what solution best fits their business. But ultimately, we are looking beyond hardware and software. We are looking at the entire ecosystem, from vehicle production to operations and maintenance, infrastructure and freight movement. We know we have everything it takes in place to bring such an advanced product to market.
We chose the United States to deploy our first autonomous trucks. It just makes sense. This is the land of opportunity. It's a country of long highways and vast expanses, of unrelenting demand for freight movement supported by large fleets, and of forward-looking regulators. A country with a heritage of innovation and a pioneer's mindset. We have a strong footprint of manufacturing, sales, and support services in the US, with long-standing customer relationships. And we're applying the same winning approach to delivering purposeful innovation as we do with those relationships. We start with listening to our customers, learning from their needs, their challenges, and their vision. They ask for solutions to fit their businesses, and we deliver. When developing an autonomous-ready truck, we chose the product so many of those customers already depend on, our flagship Freightliner Cascadia, equipping it with purposeful and advanced technology and building on our unrelenting focus on safety. Our drive toward the future doesn't stop with a truck. We offer our customers the partnership which has become synonymous with our business and the commitment to help them succeed. Everything a customer already expects from us today, everything that has made our business and theirs successful, we will continue to provide for autonomous trucks. Our business is built on trust, and that doesn't change, even as our trucks do.
Every autonomous trucking system must be built on a strong foundation. To successfully provide a safe, productive, and profitable autonomous commercial vehicle, we need to reinvent the truck. The evolution of advanced driver assistance systems continues to increase safety and add value to our drivers and other road users. However, developing a vehicle capable of safely and reliably executing commands given by an autonomous driving system does not just require a totally different approach, it requires a revolutionary paradigm. Critical systems within the truck, like braking and steering, must be designed to be able to detect a failure and react accordingly. Our autonomous ready Cascadia does exactly that. The truck continuously monitors and assesses the health of critical systems. Should there be any interruption or any errors, our newly developed redundant systems will be able to safely control the truck. Enhanced highway safety brings us closer to our vision of accident-free driving. The first autonomous ready Cascadias have already been delivered for testing. Now we can integrate the truck with the autonomous driving system, making our Level 4 trucks capable of being driven autonomously.
Torc is laser-focused on autonomous trucking, which will be the first market to commercialize this technology. We're testing fleets on highways in New Mexico, Texas, and Virginia daily. With safety at our core, Torc's advanced driving behaviors, perception, and vehicle control will safely drive our purpose-built autonomous trucks from hub to hub. Torc's virtual driver will safely navigate highways, surface streets, ramps, and intersections. Beyond the drive, we're tackling the complexities of the freight network. Through our mission control, we're making it easy for fleets to integrate Torc's autonomous trucks into existing operations to ensure high asset uptime throughout the freight journey. We have the team, technology, experience, and partners to bring a profitable, scalable product to the U.S. freight industry. With our collaboration with Daimler Truck, we hold the longest autonomy and truck OEM partnership in the industry. This strategic collaboration provides scalability, maintenance, and an autonomous-ready truck made for Level 4 operation.
At Daimler Truck, we recognized early on autonomous trucking has the potential to fundamentally change our industry. We also recognized it would take time to do it right. Safety is our priority, and the path to autonomous trucking is a marathon, not a sprint. Together with our partners, we are fully committed to bring autonomous trucks onto the road within this decade. This pioneering spirit and the willingness to succeed is in our DNA since we first invented the truck more than 125 years ago. Now we are inventing the truck of the future, the autonomous truck, for all who keep the world moving.